Your wings should be so sharp that you can fly away with them, okay? Hello everyone, I'm Carrie, and today we're going to talk about how to get a basic wing liner. I love me a good wing liner. I think that it works for a lot of different eye shapes. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it with a liquid pen today, and this one is by Eyeko. This is the Eyeko Black Magic Liquid Liner, and this is one of the most popular liquid liners that a lot of people love to use, and you can get it right here from eCosmetics. So here's how I hack my liner. The trick with your eye shape is that as long as you don't have hooded lids, you can follow the direction of the outer corner of your eye towards your brow, your natural brow, where it ends. So what I like to do is I like to start off by drawing my flick, my wing, out to where I want it, and then kind of drawing it towards the inner portion of my eye, towards the center of my eye, and then just fill in the blank. And remember to keep your liner thinnest the closer it gets to the inner corner of your eye, and thickest as it gets to the outer corner of your eye. Practice makes perfect with this, so obviously take your time, but the trick with hooded lids is that if you're going to do this, rather than keeping your eye closed when you're doing liquid liner, you want to see what the liner is going to look like with your eye open since it has folds. So just do the same steps, but with your eye directly open. Again, practice makes perfect, and you should see a nice, perfect, easy wing in no time. You're welcome.